Good morning, Dan. Yeah, we are beginning to see some showers and storms begin to make their way into western Franklin County there. Some heavier downpours nearing Chambersburg as of right now, and these storms will begin to make their way towards Cumberland and Perry County here within the next several hours, as temperatures are just struggling to get out of the mid to upper 70s this morning. But with some sun poking through those clouds later this afternoon, we do expect temperatures to range into the low to mid 80s today. And with some of that convective heating, we could see some storms later this afternoon and into early this evening then as well. But things will remain quite muggy and buggy here for the next several days, as we could see another chance of storms once again tomorrow. But I'll get to more of that in your 7-day forecast in just a bit. Back to you, Dan. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ross Mummah with the ABC 27 Storm Track Center team. And could we ask for a much nicer afternoon here in the Susquehanna Valley? I really don't think we could. Beautiful blue skies over at Millersville University right now. Plenty of sunshine out there and comfortable temperatures as well. 78 in Lebanon, 80 degrees right now in Harrisburg, and off to our northwest a little bit cooler, 76 in Du Bois and 77 in State College. And the humidity levels are remaining in check as well. Those dew points are staying in the mid to upper 50s, so it's going to remain quite dry out there this afternoon and evening. Not very humid whatsoever at all. So really, a fantastic evening is in store. You might want to break out that lawnmower and mow some of the grass in your backyard this afternoon, or maybe have a cookout for dinner this evening, because you really should have a very pleasant evening in store. So no chance of rain in sight here for the next couple of days. But that will not last. This high pressure system that we have overhead right now will begin to push off to the coast, and behind it, this low pressure system that's in the Midwest right now, that will kind of just sit over the Ohio and Tennessee river valleys by the end of the weekend. But we'll just kind of be stuck in between the two in a convergence zone, and they'll both kind of just circulate in a lot of moisture, which will raise the chances for storms and showers for next week. But I will get to that in our 7-day forecast. Right now, let's bring it back to the PRECISIONCAST here for today and tomorrow. Things will remain clear, just a few passing clouds. And then as we near Saturday morning, the clouds begin to increase, and possibly by Saturday evening, you could see some heavier rain and downpours in store. I think these models tend to overdo it a little bit, but I would not rule out the chance of rain then late Saturday evening. Last evening was a page straight out of a Scooby-Doo cartoon, a very dark and stormy night. And it's been a little bit like that across some parts of the region today. Lewistown currently seeing some rain, although those storms are just beginning to break up, and places like Duncannon seeing just a little bit of blue sky, and Louisville actually seeing some sun peeking through those heavier clouds there. So some places are seeing rain, others are remaining dry just for the moment. Now, Duncannon previously did see some rain earlier, just over an inch of rain, so very saturated ground. Going to be wet and dreary out there. Not great for the Shippensburg Fair, but if you want to and try to brave the weather, put on your wellies, put on the rain jacket, bear the elements. Temperatures will be in the low to mid 80s, but it's going to remain wet and rainy out there. So still a lot of rain could fall here in the Susquehanna Valley, which is why we have these flash flood watches and warnings out for a large majority of the mid-state, since several more inches of rain could still fall just this evening. You can see just that on the radar, some heavier storms passing through Lebanon and Dauphin counties, adding maybe another inch or so of rain on top of some very large rain amounts that we have already seen over the last several days. Places like Gettysburg and York have already gotten 6, 7, possibly even 8 or 9 inches of rain locally in some spots. And as these storms continue to make their way through the Susquehanna Valley, places could begin to near the foot mark for rain totals, dropping what could be maybe an inch or so of rain in some spots. Won't be the same amount of rain that we saw last week, thankfully. Won't be anything like 8 to 10 inches, but some places could see anywhere between 1 to 2 inches of rain tomorrow, 3 inches possibly locally in some spots. But we continue to have this daily rain chance here for the next couple of days. Good Sunday evening, everyone. After a very long week of lots of rain and major flooding across large portions of the Susquehanna Valley, we finally have a very well-deserved day today. Lots of blue sky and sunshine, and some beautiful shots out there as the sun is just beginning to set tonight. Also some very comfortable temperatures as well. 83 in Hagerstown, 81 in York, and off to our north end temperatures are just beginning to decrease into the upper 70s. So enjoy the nice weather while you can tonight. Have a cookout for dinner. Maybe get outside and play some soccer with your kids, because it will not last for a whole lot longer. By tomorrow, the clouds will return, and with it, a chance of a stray shower or a storm. And it doesn't look a whole lot better than by the middle of the week. Very humid and a better chance of storms is in store. So enjoy the nice weather while you can. It will remain quiet and comfy tonight with a low of 65. But like I said, by tomorrow and into Tuesday then as well, the cloudy skies will build, and with it, a chance of showers and scattered storms then. So this high pressure system will move off to the east, and behind it, a low pressure system with a front will push into our region, which will allow those clouds to increase then throughout the day tomorrow. You can see a few scattered showers and storms begin to pop up late tomorrow afternoon into early tomorrow evening then. And really, it's about the same story then for Tuesday as well. Fairly cloudy skies out there, and with some convective heating throughout the afternoon on Tuesday, you could see some heavier showers and storms just kind of pop up haphazardly all over the place. So you really will have a daily chance of rain for every day this week, and the humidity levels almost completely mirror the rain chances. The rest of the evening tonight will remain dry, but tomorrow the humidity begins to ramp up. It's going to feel a lot more sticky out there, and as Brett likes to say, by the middle of the week, it's going to feel like a stormy steam bath out there. Very hot and humid. Not really the sunny, drier, more comfortable weather that we were hoping for. So enjoy it today, because the rest of the week does look like it's going to feel quite humid out there, and there is a daily chance of rain. Temperatures will generally be in the mid-80s throughout the week. And then as we look towards next weekend, it will still feel fairly hot and humid out there. But as of right now, does not look like there's going to be any rain in sight there. So enjoy it while you can. Get kind of through your humid and sticky work week, and look forward to hopefully some drier and sunnier weather then for next weekend. I am Ross Mummah with the ABC 27 Storm Track Center team. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your evening.